As always, this has been another wonderful day with the Hilti team as well as other structural engineers and aspiring young students from the structural engineering fraternity. This is not for the first time, but another good day where a lot of learning has been there from the viewpoint of making India seismic resistant and resilient. Wonderful speakers, which those who shared their experiences. And the best part was the students' competition where young minds presented some of the excellent works. This is a very good initiative of Hilti, and the way Jayant expressed in the morning that what were the basic objectives and what are the items in the future basket. I am sure that Hilti is going to contribute significantly towards the seismic resistant India and in the development of growth of the proper professional practice towards the structural engineering and the construction practices in the country. So best wishes from my side to everybody here, and I'm sure the deliberations would pave the way for more learning for the young people, college students and practicing young engineers. Thank you very much.